Welcome back to Diaries. In our last episode, we recreated Elon Musk's favorite teriyaki bowl. You can check that out by tapping the card above. Today, we're diving into something fresh and iconic. Sushi, the favorite food of Facebook's founder, Mark Zuckerberg. To make sushi at home, here's what you need. 1 cup sushi rice, 2 TBSP rice vinegar. Nori seaweed sheets, fresh salmon or tuna, or use avocado and cucumber for a veggie version, soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi for serving. Start by cooking the sushi rice. Once done, mix in rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a little salt. Let it cool. This is what gives sushi that perfect flavor. Place your nori sheet shiny side down. Spread the rice evenly, add your favorite fillings, salmon, cucumber, avocado, you name it. Now roll it up using a bamboo mat or just plastic wrap, nice and tight. Wet your knife and slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. Mark Zuckerberg might be all about the metaverse, but his food taste is simple, fresh, and real-world delicious. Would you try this sushi at home? Drop a comment. And don't forget to check out our Elon Musk recipe. Thanks for joining us on Diaries. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our celebrity favorite recipes. See you next time.